Hi, it's Angeline here. I have a brand new crafty video with Unity stamp, and today I'm going to show you how I did some partial metallic embossing. So first up, I've already stamped and colored this cute gnome set from Unity stamp with my Copic markers, and I am grabbing this Debris embossing border folder, which is the Flourishes set, and also some Nuo mousse. So here I'm grabbing the lemon sorbet Nuo mousse paste and just taking it with my finger and just dabbing it onto the raised areas of the embossing folder. This will give a metallic effect when you emboss it onto your card. So I decided to add another color, which is the Coral Calypso, which is an orangey color, just to add some interest to the color. Once I'm happy with that, just put the embossing folder onto where you want to emboss, and ta-da! I ran it through my Big Shot machine, of course, and here it is. Just check out how beautiful the metallic effect is. So here's my finished card. Hope you enjoyed this quick little technique and do try it out for yourself. Thanks for watching. Bye!